lips is so red. Hi, welcome back to our HighOh channel. It has been a very long time since my sister and I are in front of the camera. So let's get down to business. My sister and I decided to start a series in which we will showcase to you our behind the scenes of HighOh. The inspiration from this is that, let's just say, my sister and I had a heartbreak, and no, we were not in a relationship. So basically, we would say it's a situationship, and because of this, we decided to put in even more effort into HighOh, and we decided to start this series to showcase to you what do we actually do every single day or every week behind HighOh, because there are a lot of customers thinking that we are mass producing our products, we are not putting in effort, and we're going to showcase to you what exactly is HighOh all about. We are actually a small family business, and it all started out when we were so poor that our family, our parents couldn't even purchase sanitary pads for us, and that's how we started out a period starter kit. And because we were so poor, we couldn't afford prom night tickets, so at the same time we couldn't afford prom night gowns, because we had to purchase a particular bra for the kind of gown that we want. That is why we decided to produce our own boutique. So to be very honest, this whole time we had a very hard time getting past this heartbreak, and we decided to vlog our journey and to remind us how much effort we have already put into HighOh. To be really honest, in this year 2022, our profit isn't that much, and we are really still struggling, and we decided to be very transparent with you to showcase what we are doing. And yeah, so the series just started, and you'll see a lot of different clips of us doing behind the scenes, how we actually design our social media platforms. We don't even hire, we do it all out by ourselves. And my sister is the one that is replying emails. We hold Zoom meetings with our influencers, and right now we are finding influencers that are willing to go on Amazon Live to help us promote our products. So if you are interested, please do DM us or comment below so that we will contact you individually. Yeah, so to be honest, this heartbreak, it's something that we have learned. Decided to put in all the effort, mental, emotional, physical capacity on back to us and HighOh, because we really felt that we do not have sufficient self-love. And join us in a journey for this whole journey of HighOh. It will be a continuous journey, to be really honest. This whole series is going to show you how we actually struggle through HighOh, and how we actually it's not as glamorous as what everyone thinks about setting up a business. With budget constraint, with influencers that ghosted us and we wasted 7,000 USD on products, to meeting new customers, to coaching new influencers, to guide my sister in replying emails. At the same time, we still have to do YouTube videos, edit YouTube videos, so on and so forth. So we are going to show you behind the scenes what we are actually doing, and even the places in where we are going. So I hope you enjoy this series. So let's start with the episode 1 then.